Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by assembling the documents that most likely show your driver's license number, current photo ID, older licenses, or state mailings. Once done, photograph or scan each item so you have a clear image to inspect. Make sure to unlock and update any account where your license might be stored, DMV profile, or insurance portal, because you may find the number in account settings. Move now to logging into the most authoritative source to confirm the digits. You now access official records where the number is most likely recorded. First, sign into your state DMV account, navigate to Identity or License sections, and look for a labeled license number. If online access is unavailable, prepare proof of identity and visit a DMV branch to request the number. Also check insurer portals, vehicle title papers, and medical intake forms because they sometimes copy the number. Be careful to use two-factor authentication and clear browser history after check. Finish by cross-checking the digits you found against at least one official source. This prevents errors from smudged prints or transcription mistakes. Once verified, store the number securely. Use an encrypted password manager or a locked file. If digits conflict or documents are damaged, contact your DMV immediately to request a correction or replacement. Bring original proof of identity and be prepared for a short processing fee. If issues persist, escalate to a supervisor at the DMV for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.